Hi, this is Barbie at Authorized Back and Sew. I'm here to invite you to our fun, fabulous Floriani event. That will be February 10th and 11th. It's a 2-day class where you will learn about how the scan and cut and the luminaire talk to each other. They work out together. Also, you will learn about stabilizer because that is a very important step in beginning with your embroidery so everything turns out perfect. But what I've done here is I am stitching out the placement for my sewing machine that I cut out on the scan and cut. I have APPLIQUE on the back of it. I can do my placement stitch and I can stick this down and start doing my embroidery around it. It's a really wonderful opportunity to come if you have not tried out embroidery and you want to see whether it's something you might be interested in. We really want to have you here just so you can come and see why we're addicted. All right, so we have now embroidered our sewing machine down to our fabric. This is the sewing machine that we cut out on the scan and cut. We did the placement, we laid it down. So the scan and cut and the luminaire do work together. So I'm encouraging you to hurry up and sign up for our Floriani event before the spots are filled. Also, this is the bag that you will be making in class. It will hold your rulers, all your tools for bringing to class. On the back, you also have another pocket for a taller ruler. You have the pocket for your rotary cutter. So you will have everything you need in one little bag. It's a fun class. It's a great learning experience if you've never tried our embroidery machines. So we do encourage you to come, and we'll see you then.